The present perfect tense bridges the past and the present. We use it to show actions that happened at some point before now or to highlight things that began in the past and still matter today. I have completed the online course successfully. She has visited 5 different countries this year. They have adopted a new puppy from the shelter. We have made significant progress on the project. The architect has designed an eco-friendly skyscraper that integrates solar panels and vertical gardens into its structure. She has developed a groundbreaking algorithm that has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity across industries. They have implemented new policies in their workplace, significantly improving employee satisfaction and productivity. I have reorganized my entire kitchen, making it much easier to find everything when I'm cooking. I have finally sorted through all my old emails, deleting unnecessary ones and organizing the rest into folders. My neighbors have upgraded their backyard, adding a beautiful garden and a seating area for outdoor gatherings. He has not called me back after the meeting. I haven't been to London. We haven't decided where to go for vacation yet. He has not read any books. They have not completed their grocery shopping yet, which is why there's hardly any food left in the fridge. We haven't gotten around to fixing the Wi-Fi issue despite resetting the router several times. I have not been able to book a doctor's appointment, as every available slot is already filled for the next 2 weeks. I have not been able to finish my thesis despite spending countless hours on research and writing. The city has not implemented the proposed traffic reforms, despite growing public pressure and increasing accidents. Have you done the laundry yet? Has she called the electrician about the broken light? Have we bought groceries for dinner tonight? Has he walked the dog this morning? Have you managed to organize all the paperwork for the insurance claim yet? Has she talked to the landlord about the ongoing heating issues in the apartment? Have they figured out why the internet has been disconnecting randomly all week? Have we arranged a backup plan in case the weather ruins our outdoor event? Has he started preparing the presentation for tomorrow's meeting, or is he still gathering data? Has she not called the doctor for an appointment? Haven't you finished your homework yet? Haven't they cleaned the kitchen after dinner? Have we not already discussed this issue? Haven't you been able to finish the report despite having extra time this week? Has she not mentioned the new project deadlines to the team during the last meeting? Haven't they discussed the renovation plans with the contractor yet, considering how urgent the repairs are? Have we not made enough adjustments to the budget to cover the unexpected expenses? Hasn't he addressed the technical issues in the presentation, given how crucial it is for tomorrow's meeting?